You're looking at me right now, but this isn't me speaking. Every word, every blink, every micro expression generated by AI in under 5 minutes. And by the end of this video, you'll have your own AI avatar, speaking your script in your voice in a setting that looks better than 90% of YouTubers' studios. No camera setup, no lights, no let me redo that take 12 times. One button. Stick around. I'm gonna show you the platform I landed on after testing every AI avatar tool out there. The mistake 9 out of 10 beginners make on their first try. And the one setting that makes the difference between an obvious deepfake and a clip that fools your own family. Let's get into it. This is HeyGen. From the homepage, find the tile that says Create Your AI Avatar. That's where everything starts. HeyGen gives you 2 paths. Option 1, clone a real person, a photorealistic version of you. Record once, reuse forever. Option 2, create a virtual character, a fully synthetic AI persona from scratch. For 99% of creators, option 1 is where the money is. So, clone a real person. Click that. HeyGen needs your FaceTime camera. Allow it. No camera, no avatar. 2 recording sources. Record via webcam or record via phone. Phone gives you cleaner footage if your lighting is decent. Webcam is faster, and that's what I'm using. Pick record via webcam, hit I'm ready. Quick pause. This 15-second recording is where most people destroy their avatar before it ever renders. 3 rules. 1. Speak with high energy. Flat delivery makes a flat avatar. 2. Keep your position stable in the frame. Drifting around confuses the model. 3. Be expressive. Facial movement is what HeyGen learns from. Boring 15 seconds in, boring forever. When you're locked in, hit start recording. HeyGen drops a script on your screen. You just read it. Don't try to be perfect. Don't read it like Morgan Freeman. Be your normal energy self, dialed up about 20%. 15 seconds in, the recording's done. Give the avatar a name. I'll call mine David 2. Hit Create Avatar. Pay attention here, this is a fork in the road. Option 1, clone your voice from a longer audio file. Most accurate match. Option 2, just use the voice HeyGen captured from your 15-second recording. For most people, option 2 is plenty. I'm going with the voice from the recording. 1 click, HeyGen pulls it automatically. Done. Okay, quick honesty moment. The avatar's ready. Looks like me, but the environment, it's my room, my webcam, my ambient lighting, which is to say, no lighting at all. If you're publishing this to YouTube, you don't want a background that screams recorded between Zoom calls. You want one that screams studio. So we're not done. Stay with me. This next part is where it gets cinematic. Back to the home page. Hit avatars in the side panel. Every avatar you've ever made lives here. By default, HeyGen auto-generates a few alternate looks for you, but they're random, and you can do way better manually. Click your original avatar, the one you just built. Now you've unlocked the menu we're after. Design new looks. 2 creative routes from here. Route 1, describe the edits you want in plain English. Put me in a navy blazer in a co-working space. HeyGen rebuilds the scene from text. Route 2, choose a scene to swap your avatar into. Pre-built professional sets you drop yourself into. Both work. I'm taking the scene swap route. It's faster and the results are way more consistent. Scroll through the scenes. Pick one that matches the energy of the videos you're making. I'm going with this one. Bookline background, warm light, podcast aesthetic. Click Remix Look. HeyGen generates 2 variants of your avatar dropped into that scene. Looks are ready. And here's the part nobody warns you about. Not every generation will look like you. Look at this first one. Okay-ish. But the face is a little off. Doesn't quite read as me. Now this second one, that's the one. Clean light, accurate face, same denim shirt energy from the recording. The move is generate, compare, pick the one that actually looks like you. The platform doesn't always nail it on the first try, and that's fine. Now we use the avatar. Click Build a Video Scene by Scene. That's the option that gives you the most control. Multi-scene, per scene scripts, per scene settings. This is the script window. Each scene gets its own text block. HeyGen reads what you type, and your avatar speaks it, word for word, with matching lip sync. Paste your script. Break it into scenes, wherever you want a visual cut. Now, the setting nobody uses, and it's the single biggest reason most AI avatars sound like AI. It's called delivery style. Always toggle on direct voice. That's the mode that picks up emotional inflection and natural pacing. Without it, the voice is technically correct, but emotionally dead. Then pick the emotion that fits your video: casual, serious, or energetic. For tutorials like this one, casual lands best. Click Apply to all scenes, and HeyGen carries that emotion through every block of text. You can override it per scene later, but starting with one global tone keeps the video coherent. Add a new scene. Paste in the next chunk. Notice HeyGen remembered your casual emotion and applied it automatically. Saves you a click every single time. This is the most important choice in the entire tool. Motion Engine. 3 options. Avatar 3. Lower quality. Unlimited usage. Fine for drafts and testing. Not for anything you want anyone to actually see. Avatar 4. Premium. Generic motion that adapts to your script. This is the one I recommend right now. Sweet spot between quality and reliability. Avatar 5, the newest model, promises to move exactly like you. Your micro expressions, your gestures, sounds incredible on paper, but honestly, it's not there yet. Until HeyGen tightens it up, Avatar 4 is still the better choice for finished work. Background is already locked in from the scene swap. Nothing to do there. Layout is your last choice. Original keeps the avatar framed like the recording. Circle crops it into a podcast-style bubble. I'm going original. You can tweak radius and zoom if you want, but the defaults work for 90% of cases. Whole setup is done. Hit generate. This is where the magic happens. HeyGen renders your full video, every scene with your face, your voice, your new look. Typically 3 to 5 minutes per minute of finished video. Video's ready. Hit play. Same face, same voice, brand new environment, perfect lip sync, 0 retakes. This is the workflow I run every single week. 1 script in, 1 publishable video out. No camera setup, no editing marathon, no can we shoot that again because I sneezed. If you got value here, smash the subscribe button and leave a comment below. See you in the next one.